What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and today we are talking about stick ends. That's right. These are the ThumbGrippies stick ends. Absolutely love them. They're resin printed, and I've been using them for almost a year now. Absolutely nothing like them. And I sell the crown jewels too that are traditional CNC stick end, but these ThumbGrippies are where it is at. Just tactile, not sharp, but just grip right on. Makes it very, very easy to grip, and you're never gonna slip. Absolutely love them. Highly recommend them. And I just got restocked on even more. I've been carrying these for a while. I really like this mini mushroom. This style is perfect for thumbers. I've also got GrandMasters that are for your pinch style, and I've got the specimens pinch sticks that don't have this ball at the top, just nice and nubby. But I needed more, and I wanted to get some more sizes as well. I've been carrying the M3 for the Tango 2 and the Mambo and Zorro and several other radios, and now I'm also carrying them in M4 sizes, so you can get them on your tx16s and many more radios. But if you just need some gimbals, man, I got gimbals too. I got pro and non-pro, whether you need folding or non-folding, and you want to go all the way with it, you can get you those CNC metal gimbals. They're so nice.